don't touch, okay? Video ไป
Daddy, do you see that one dancing?
What?
Do you see the noodle dancing?
Yeah, I see. Leon? Can you smell it? Huh? What's it smell like?
Oh no, because they're gonna put food into your room tie. More tissue out. More tissue out.
I don't want to eat it.
Okay, this is
Can you get cake?
Mất chân là một món sao còn dạ.
You don't want it. You don't
I don't want it. The baby one up here.
Okay, everybody want one noodle? Okay. Maybe.
Strawberry.
Alright.
Oh, you want egg? Okay.
I got milk.
Okay.
You get fried rice?
Huh?
You want fried rice?
No.
No?
I want salmon.
You get the fried rice with the salmon.
I just want the salmon.
Okay. Have to speak loud.
Daddy, that's all goo Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, there's the egg right there.
Wow. Mine.
Oh, right there. You gonna try this, right?
I don't want it. I don't want more. Mommy, I don't want more.
Oh, it's okay.
I don't want more.
Okay.
Levi, you want to try it?
No,
Right.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm said I'm fine. Okay, you want one? Okay. Eat that yours.
Here, Levi. Try a little.
Fine.
Taste. That's yummy or what?
You like it? It's good, right?
Huh?
Daddy.
Is it good?
Daddy.
Good?